In this video, I'm driving this RC car down an insane trail, so let's get started. It's a little bit hard getting into the trail, but once we get in, it looks awesome in there. We're finally in the trail, but also if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit it now, it really helps me out, and leave us a like. Also, if you have any other video ideas, please tell me, because I'll make them. Just note them down in the description, and I'll think about making videos that you guys would like. The trail will lead us all the way to the beach, which is pretty awesome. We're about halfway into the trail now, getting closer to the beach. That meaning that the trail will get a lot more narrow and we will touch some plants on the side of our car. We're just about to pass a little dip in the ground right about now. Get ready because we're about to pass onto the beach. If you like content like this, please leave a like and subscribe. As I said earlier, I'll keep creating the content, you keep watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!